Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to Gadget. Today, I'm going to be talking about this smartphone gimbal that has an AI technology that's built into it that no other gimbal has. Now, I'll be talking more about this smartphone gimbal right after this. Now, before I jump in, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, and also share this content out, as it truly will help my channel out. All right, now what sets apart this gimbal from the other ones that are out there is the AI technology that's built into this. As it states here, it has sports tracking. All right, so the AI technology in this will allow this gimbal to use your smartphone to capture those significant moments in the sports activity or the event without you having to focus to capture those moments. As you can see here, some of the highlights that it mentions here. All right, nothing really on this side but what's inside the box. Of course, there's not a smartphone that's included. You do have to provide your own. The app that's in here works with iOS and Android. Okay. Now, with all that stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. All right, let's slide here. Do it again. There we go. All right, let's see what we got here first. So you have the manual. And of course you have the gimbal itself. I love the fact that it folds really nice for easy carrying or traveling. Even has the thread at the bottom so you can hook this up to an external tripod. Now it does come with its own tripod, as you can see here. You can see these have legs, or feet should I say, and you just hook it up in here, and of course it acts as a handle. But if you wanted to connect this to an external or maybe a longer tripod, then you can do that as well. So you have that option. Okay. Then you also have a pouch to put it inside as well. So that's pretty cool. You're able to keep everything together all inside this pouch. Your type A to type C charge cable. And of course they included, which is really nice, a lanyard so you can connect to the gimbal. And if you have a look here, it gives you some steps and some quick tips as far as operating it. And if you look right here, this is where you will plug it in to charge. It does not come with a charge brick, so you will have to use your own charge brick or just plug this into a port, a type A port that will allow this to have power to charge. All right, but that's where the type C charge port is. Okay, let's have a closer look there. You have some buttons. Now the app that you're going to need is called XbotGo. Again, you can just go ahead and scan this QR code, either one of them, depending on which phone platform you have, and it should take you right to the App Store to download the app. You can go ahead and get it open. Now, first thing you want to do is unfold it. It's really easy to fold back down, just bend, and it's ready for storage. But again, you just lift up and it's ready to go. Go ahead and press this power button right here. Hold it down for a second. You hear it beep and it's ready to go. And now I'm going to go ahead here and tap where it states add device. All right. And it states here you can do only this time or while using. I'm going to choose while using. That's fine. Bluetooth. Tap to connect. All right, pair. Now, as you can see, it's connected. And now you can see the gimbal there. All right. So right now I was looking for my phone. Let's go ahead and get it on here. Slide this open. Place this. Try not to place it where the buttons are so it won't be mashing the buttons. Secure grip, or so that way I can have a better way of holding it. As you can see here, it has a 3-access point. I go this way or back. As you can see, it's holding its place really nice. It stands like a tripod. If I were to press this record or camera button here, or tap it, you are able to choose different sports. You can even choose if the kids that are playing or how many players are on the team. So pretty cool option there. Now what's cool, if I wanted to turn this to landscape mode, that same power button, just press it. As you can see, it's in landscape mode. And then if you want it out of landscape mode, push it again. And there you have it. Now there's even a feature for this to track the ball or the people. So if you want to track the ball and watch how the ball is going, or see what's happening with the ball in that sport event to capture all those key special moments, then this gimbal has that technology built into it. Or if you want to track the people, it will track the people. So definitely cool that this gimbal is feature packed. And again, look how stable it is. Really nice. So you can imagine what the footage would be like. I really think that this is an awesome gimbal with really nice technology that's built into it. And if you take a look here, you have a couple buttons, you have a knob, all right, you have like a switch, and there's also one in the back. I really like the setup of this gimbal. Really lightweight, easy packing, and you can accomplish a lot with this gimbal, especially with that AI technology that's built into it, and capture those key moments. Now, if you're interested in this gimbal, of course, I'll have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my quick review and unboxing of the XbotGo AI Cameraman Smart AI Tracking with Sports Tracking Gimbal.